everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell items that I find at the thrift stores and at stores such as Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls for profit on platforms such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Tradesy. And today I'm going to show you a haul. I'm going to show you things that I bought at Savers and my local thrift store. I'm going to show you today only shoes and handbags, and on my next video I'm going to show you clothing items. I'm breaking up into two parts because that's how I process my inventory. I photograph all handbags and shoes on the floor, so they're all separate from the clothes, which I put on hangers, so it's easier for me to show, and it also makes the video a little bit shorter. I don't want you to sit here for 30-40 minutes. So let's see what I got at my favorite thrift store in Savers. Some of the things don't have tags anymore because I already photographed them, but I'm going to tell you what my average cost of goods is once I get my receipt, which is in the car. So I'm going to put somewhere in the screen how much I paid per item. The way I do it, I average out my cost of goods, so I'm going to show you my average for everything that I'm going to show you here. So Savers was having their 50% off sale. If you are not aware, if you have a Savers nearby, you can just go there and give them your phone number or email address, and you can sign up for their rewards program. So they send emails with coupons whenever they're running sales. So they sent an email out saying that they were going to do a 50% sale on clothes and shoes and accessories. So I love when they do that, and I try to take advantage of it. I went the first day of the sale. I didn't go early in the morning, but I was very lucky that they were rolling out new inventory, so I was able to score some nice things, and I'm going to show you right now. I had already put some of my things that I already listed into my inventory system, and so I try to drag them all out here. So if I'm missing some, I'm sorry about that, but I try to get everything here to show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this pair of Merrell. They're kind of a hiking pair of sneakers. Merrell is a great brand to pick up, outdoor brand, and this one is a women's sneaker. It's in very good condition, and I think I can get at least $35 for it. This is listed already. Then I found these booties. They are by Tom's. They are suede and they are very comfortable. They're lined, and I'm hoping I can get $35 for them. I don't know because I have never sold this kind of Toms before. They are already listed as well. Another pair of Merrell shoes are these hiking shoes. They're women's as well, and they're size 7.5. I'm hoping I can get $35 for them. I love to pick up outdoor shoes because I just feel like people go through them and then they have to replace them. Whereas with high heels and other kind of shoes, they might wear it very little. So I feel like they sell much faster than other types of shoes. So I got these Sorel boots. This woman was rolling out shoes, and then I saw her picking this up, and I'm like, are these Sorels? Can I please have them? So I guess, I don't know if she's glad that I took them off of her hands, because then she doesn't have to put it on the shelf. It's less work for her. They look brand new. They have no flaws, but they are obviously worn because you can see here they have some signs of being worn. But the exterior is absolutely flawless. So I'm hoping I can get $35, maybe even a little bit more than that for them. They are women's size 7.5. Then I picked up these Bogs. I have never sold this kind of Bog boots before, but Bogs is a very good brand. I love their rain boots, the taller one, but I couldn't leave this behind. They are in good condition. They are size 6. I don't like to pick up things that are size 6, but it's a good brand, so I decided to. Then I picked up these Dansko. They're kind of a Mary Jane with a strap here. They were very expensive. They were $14.99, but they were 50% off. This one is not listed yet. I am not picking up Dansko clogs anymore, but their sandals, their booties, and other kinds of shoes, except for the clogs, they still do very, very well for me. I just sold 2 pairs in the last 2 weeks, and this pair looks brand new. It may have been worn once or twice. So for like $7.50, I think it was a good pickup. Then I picked up these Saks Fifth Avenue suede flats. I don't have experience selling this brand, but I loved the classic style with the pointed toe, and it's in decent condition. It's a size 9, and it was fairly cheap, so $4.49 minus 50%. That was a good deal for me, so I decided to pick them up. Then I found these Corky's booties. They are very tiny. Let me tell you the size. They're size 6 as well, but Corky's does very, very well for me, and these are in very, very good condition. So I decided to pick them up. I almost didn't pick up this pair. It seems to be a wide calf riding boot. It's by J. Crew, but it's very hard to see the size, but it's here, size 9. I couldn't find a size on the other one, so but I feel like J. Crew makes very good quality shoes, and I decided to pick it up with the 50% off. I think it was $11, like $5.50. Then I picked up these Born knee-high boots. They are a size 9.5. I like that they have the low heel, so it's not very hard to sell them. They have a nice, comfortable round toe and the contrast stitching right here. And Born is a very good brand to pick up as well. I only pick them up if they are very cheap because they don't go for a lot, but I can sell them for around $25 to $35. I think I can get $35 for these boots. Then I picked these up because they are an amazing style and also a very good brand. They are the brand Joie. Joie clothes don't do very well for me, but I couldn't leave this style behind. And it was $10.49. I am not sure, but I might be able to send this to the Real. I'm gonna see if they are accepting Joie right now. But they are in excellent condition, and they have this nice, interesting round heel. So they're in very good condition, so I decided to pick them up. I bought this pair of Born flats for myself. The leather is very, very, very soft, and I love the style. It's kind of a minimalistic style, and it was kind of expensive, $12.49. But when I tried it on, it was a little bit too big, so I'm going to try to resell it. Then I picked up these boots. These boots are a very high-end brand. They are Aquatalia. They have a little bit of a heel drag right here. But this brand is extremely expensive, and it's my first time picking it up at the thrift store. I had seen it before at thrift stores, but the condition was not very good. But these are in very good condition, except for the little bit of a heel drag right here. And I'm thinking of trying to send this to the Real just because the winter season is almost over. And I think the Real can move them a little bit faster than me. Then I picked up these Asics sneakers. They are a size 5.5, a very small size, but they are in very good condition, and I like the color scheme as well. This pair of sneakers I had bought a long time ago, and I just found out that they were not listed anywhere. They were in my inventory, and when I looked at them, I'm like, okay, I don't remember sharing this item lately. Maybe it's not on Poshmark. And then when I went to check, it's not listed anywhere. So I'm going to show you anyways. A pair of Adidas. They have a very neon color, and I think I can get $25 to $35 for them. They are the liquid something. It's the name of the style. Then I picked up these flats. They are by Madewell, and they are in good condition, just some creasing here, and they were very inexpensive. I think they were $4.49, and with the 50% discount, I couldn't leave them behind. They are a small size 6.5. Next are these Schuler and Sons sandals. They have a very interesting cutout heel. They have a canvas striped here with this leather straps. I find them gorgeous. And this brand, I don't know if this style was, but this brand was sold at Anthropologie. And I just sold a pair of Oxfords by this brand on Mercari for, I believe, $29. They have leather soles and they are in decent condition, just some wear on the soles, but overall they're in very nice condition. And I just love this detail right here. It also has some gold accent in the cutout. I couldn't leave them behind just because they're very interesting and unique. The last two pair of shoes are the most exciting ones for me, just because I have never found them in the wild, ever. And these two pairs I found when the lady was rolling out the rack of new shoes, and I went through it and I started picking some interesting pairs up. And this one, if you recognize the logo, it's a pair of Tory Burch suede boots. They are a size, where is the size? They're a size 8 medium, and I was so excited when I saw this little logo there on the cart. And somebody priced it very low. It was I think $11, and I had 50% off, so it was a great pickup. And I found Prada heels. The patent leather, it's in good condition. It has a little bit of a mark right here, and it has a little bit of a scuff here. It does look like it's authentic, but I haven't done my research. I just need to clean it a little bit. It's a little bit dirty here. They wanted $14.99 for it. I believe it's authentic. I'm going to try to authenticate it with Mercari. If it's not authentic, the price is still here and I can return it to Savers. But it looks really good. It looks like in good shape, and the stitching is good. It's just a little bit dirty inside, and yeah, so I was very excited about that. Now I'm going to show you the handbags that I picked. I said it in a previous video that I would not be picking up Bagolini anymore. But this is in excellent condition. It looks like it has never been worn, and it was $5. So I paid $2.50 for it. The interior is nice and clean. I know that these bags are popular for people who are traveling, and people are not traveling much right now. But I have hope that everybody's going to be traveling soon. So I decided to pick up and stock my closet with it. Then I picked up this bag just based on style because I don't recognize the brand. I think I'm making a fool out of myself. I just saw the brand tag. It's Tignanello. This brand makes classic, very high quality handbags, but it doesn't resell for too much. But I like the price, so I paid $3 for it. And it is a leather backpack. So I liked it a lot and I decided to pick it up, but I think it's missing here. I think it had a strap that attached here and here. I don't know if it's inside, but I didn't find it. Yeah, no, it's not inside. But I think I can still sell it. I think backpacks are popular, and leather backpacks even more. Then I picked up this handbag in their glass area. They had handbags and shoes, and they had some ridiculous handbags right there, like not even real leather. But they had this one, and I was able to see that it was Kohan. They wanted $20 for it, and they had the 50% off, so I decided to pick it up. It's very nice and heavy. It's a blue color, so I don't think it's gonna be as popular as if it was a black one or maybe a cognac one. But Kohan makes amazing quality handbags, and I've sold them between $55 and $75, so I'm hoping I can sell this one for at least $50. All of the shoes I showed you are from Savers. Now I'm going to show you shoes that I found at my favorite thrift stores. And yeah, they still have the stickers because I haven't processed them yet. I picked up this, they look to be knee-high boots or maybe over the knee. I'm not sure. I had to try them on to see. They're size 11 medium. They are by Mark Fisher. I have never picked up this brand before. They wanted $660 for them. I think I paid $650 for it. I think I paid full price just because these are in excellent condition. They seem to be very lightly worn. I like the color too. And it has this stretch panel here in the back. So I think it's a very good deal, $650 for them. Then I picked up these boots just because I love the color. They are just chaps and I might keep them for myself. I believe they were real leather, but I might be totally wrong because right now I'm touching them and they don't feel leather. At least the interior doesn't. It doesn't say anywhere what it is. But they look brand new outside. They just have some creasing and some marks in the soles. They're size 8 and I bought them for myself because they were $1. The color of the day was red. I know this is pink, but they consider the stickers. I guess they don't have red stickers, so they put the pink one. Yeah, so I picked them up for $1. Then I picked up these, what are these? Mizuno's. Never sold this brand before, but they were half off, so they wanted $7 and I paid $3.50 for them. They still have good tread, but they have a little bit of wear here on the heel. But I decided to try them out for $3.50. Then I picked up these Sea Chiron just because I sell on Kitizen, and this is one of their popular brands there that they feature. So it has a little bit of wear inside, but how much did I pay for them? I paid $3.30, so $1.15 for them. No, $1.65 for them. I don't know if I researched the brand, but I really like the style of this pair of shoes. It's called Chelsea Crew. I like the heel, and yeah, I decided to pick them up because they feel like good quality shoes. It shows here underneath that it's a real leather and leather lining. I love the color, and I paid $2.20 for them because they were half off. Then I bought this little crossbody bag. It's real leather. It was $1. The brand is Elliot Luca. Yeah, I don't know anything about this brand, but I think I did some research and it seemed to be okay. And the last pair were these Michael Kors. I like the gold hardware. It's actually Michael Kors. It's a small size, but it's in very good condition. It's a size 6.5, and I paid $6.60 for them. So that's it for my shoes and handbags haul. If you watched to the end, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. These selling content and you can sign up for their rewards. Oh.